Today we're doing another install with Boss Audio Systems into my E53 X5. Check out that M3. What is up, guys? What we have here is two big fatty amplifiers, and we got a big, medium big 10-inch subwoofer. We've got our Apple CarPlay head unit, Android compatible as well. We got some speakers here, the P65.4Cs, P65.2Cs. These are our two-way component speaker system. And we've got our box, our double-DIN dash installation kit. We've got our adapter that we're gonna be wiring into the head unit. So let's get started. Come meet me in the passenger seat. All right, we are inside our E53 X5, and we're gonna try and make this short and sweet for starters. Here is our radio. You've got a knob here that plays music, turns it off, and what you're gonna do is you're gonna take your peanut butter cup and you're gonna pull it off right there. You're gonna set that down, and then you're gonna stick your T10 Torx solid screwdriver. You cannot use a bulgy screwdriver and just stick a T10 bit on the end of it. Stick it down in here. You're gonna unscrew this little thing right here. Then you're gonna pull this head unit right off. That's all it takes, one little screw. Now, what you need to do is pull it out, and this swivels from the left side right here. So we're gonna grab this, keep it in the hole. Oh my gosh, we just had this out. Okay, we're gonna get it back in the hole. We're gonna take the advice I was giving y'all. We're gonna just try really hard. And there you go. So basically it just comes right out. Done. So easy. Next step, you're going to grab your little BMW plastic harness made by the devil. Press down on this. You're gonna slide this over. So easy and nice to work with. You're gonna take this out and you're done. Take your new Boss head unit, and you basically just throw it in. Now we're gonna remove the CD player. There's two T10 Torx screws, one there and one here. Oh, you know what? Hold on. I can't let my Radiohead CD just get eaten up. You know, this happens. A lot of CDs get swallowed and are never returned to their homes. Just pull this bad boy on out. That's Johnny right here. There's more to it than meets the eye, and of course doesn't. You know what, I'm just here to illustrate the reality of what it's like to do anything on a car. Let's go back on this tutorial and see.
All right, so again,
he just said it was two screws. X5 CD player removal. If it's this hard to do now, imagine how hard it's gonna be to do everything else. I'm gonna break stuff. They didn't even tell me to take this off, but it looks like you need to. What is going on? What is going on? Should be a lot easier, but anyway. This comes out, and just remove your harness here. The next step, attach our head unit adapter. By the way, if you want a part number, it's 70-9003. It's a Metra product. Pull out your head unit. So what you're gonna do, you are going to splice these wires into here, but first we're gonna take our, where the hell? There it is. First we're gonna take our harness adapter, and you're going to connect this to this, and that just clips in. Before we clip it in though, permanently, what we first wanna do is join these together, which we're just gonna go up to the top of my apartment, and we're just gonna get this all put together. Soldered together all the wires, and we're gonna put some electrical tape over this entire thing, and then plug it in to the X5 and the head unit. Okay, we've got our harness. It's going to connect into our X5. All right. Landon here with us now. We were told to remove this big fat plastic piece in the center. You gotta take off this wood trim, and there should be a bolt here and a bolt here. That was totally wrong. We went on the internet. It was really hard to find solid information on it. I'm sure there's an easy diagram out there that we just haven't seen, but and then this just kind of slides on out. I think what we might end up just doing is cutting this out. Yeah, buddy, just cut off this piece. Nice, I like how that's a snug fit. You slide that in and you're done. Put her there. Thanks, man.
Yeah.
Been great. And that's it. Got your premium. It's actually pretty sweet. I know I'm joking around here, guys, but I really like this. Okay, guys, next step is we're gonna take these brackets. Go ahead and grab the right one. We're going to place it right onto the radio. All right, go ahead and put some in. It's always fun doing this with a friend, isn't it?
Better than by yourself.
Yeah, it sucks. Alright. Keep in mind, above, at the top, is the fuse box. Alright, the old glove box is now removed, so that we can get access to the Apple CarPlay. There's your fingers. Let's go under that weather. All right, and what we've done is we electrical taped the charging and the Apple CarPlay together, and we taped the iPhone cable so that it doesn't come undone. But once we get it in through the glove box, we'll be able to remove it if we decide we want to put another cable on there. All right, the glove box is reinstalled. Talk us through where you routed the line.
So the presenter hole, it's like a little strut for your glove box. When you open it, it makes it open nice and slowly. We went right through the top of that so we can get the most length out of it we possibly can.
Nice.